Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted contacts in Mailchimp. If you've accidentally removed someone from your audience or noticed missing contacts, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to recover them and keep your mailing list organized. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to the Audience section on the left sidebar. This is where all your contacts and subscriber lists are managed. Before restoring anything, it's always a good idea to create a backup of your audience. To do that, look for the Export Audience option. Click Export as CSV. Mailchimp will prepare a spreadsheet file containing your contacts and subscriber information. If your audience is large, this may take a minute or two. Once the export is ready, go to View Export History and download the CSV file to your computer. This acts as your backup in case you ever need to restore contacts again later. Now let's restore the missing contacts. Stay inside the Audience section and click Add Contacts. From the drop-down menu, select Import Contacts. Choose Upload a File, then select the CSV file you downloaded earlier. Mailchimp will guide you through the import process and ask you to match the columns from your file, like email addresses and names, with the correct audience fields. Take a moment to double-check everything before continuing so the data imports correctly. Once everything looks good, complete the import process. And that's it. Your deleted or missing contacts will be restored back into your Mailchimp audience. A good habit is to export your audience regularly so you always have a recent backup ready if something goes wrong. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Mailchimp tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.